वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्रोफेशनल। आज हमारा सेशन है ज़ीरो ट्रिम कैसे जो है वो परफॉर्म की जाती है। तो चलें, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। चलें, सबसे पहले बिफोर प्रैक्टिकल हम देखते हैं कि ज़ीरो ट्रिम क्या होती है। व्हाट इज़ ए ज़ीरो ट्रिम? ज़ीरो ट्रिम इज़ ए सिंगल पॉइंट एडजस्टमेंट. इट इज़ यूजफुल फॉर compensating for mounting position effects and is most effective when performed with the transmitter installed in its final mounting position. Zero trim should not be used in place of a sensor trim over the fulfilled sensor range. So this is the short definition of the zero trim. Now we will see the practically how we can perform the zero trim with the Trex. The zero trim of a pressure transmitter performing procedure with the Trex communicator. First we have to connect the Trex communicator. Then we have to go online and we have to wait for some time until the Trex is communicating with the pressure transmitter. Now here it is showing the overview. We have to go in the settings. Here we will get the guided setup and manual setup. First we will check the transmitters LRV and URV. After that we will go back to the, here we can see the transmitters LRV and URV. Then after that we can see we have to go to the guided setup. In guided setup, here message will pop up. The loop will remove from the automatic to the manual. Then we have to accept it. The transmitter is showing some readings because it is not exact zero. Then here we have to select the zero trim. Now the zero trim is sensor is stabilizing. Then we have to press OK. Now we can see the zero trim is performed and completed, and transmitter now it is showing 0. Then we have to go back to exit from the communicator. So this is the method and procedure of the to perform the zero trim. Now we will see what's the Trex. The short introduction about the Trex. Trex is a handheld device communicator manufactured by Amazon. It supports a heart and foundation field bus devices, so you can configure or troubleshoot in the field or on the workbench. The device is designed to withstand the harsh conditions in and around manufacturing facilities and is safety rated. Technicians armed with the Trex communicator can analyze or reconfigure devices in the field, saving time and effort. So we hope this is the method and procedure to perform the zero trim of the pressure transmitter with the Trex. And you learn in this video what is the zero trim and what is the Trex. We hope this video will be very useful for you. So we will meet in the next video. Have a nice day.